Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can rebirth and grow a garden without losing all of your shekels. So you are going to need a friend, a trusted friend, or like another account for this. Basically you're going to want to trade shekels with them first before you rebirth. Then you're going to obviously talk here, and then I want to send. Make sure you have the required Moonlit Wet Twisted Elder Strawberry. That's the one that is required for me, but it's going to be different for you. You will get 10 garden coins per, is that like 1 billion? I actually don't know how much this is. 1 trillion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I actually don't know how much that is. Hold on. Sorry, I'm like not the best. I'm not dumb, okay? 12 zeros. How many? Okay, there we go. Oh, a trillion. Okay, so you will need 1 trillion shekels to rebirth. So you can like give it out first. You can trade these shekels now to other people before rebirthing, and then you can get your shekels back, hopefully, if they are a trusted friend or just your account, your alt account. So yeah, that is how you can rebirth without losing all of your shekels. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.